What's up guys, it's your boy T Genius here with another video. Today we're talking on tools for mobile repair. Get your pen ready, your book. Let's watch this wonderful video and let's enjoy it. Let's dive right in. Soldering iron is used to join or connect components to the motherboard, which is very useful. 50 watt soldering iron should be enough for mobile repair. Number 2, we have soldering station, which consists of two parts. First, for holding the soldering iron, and second, the soldering station, which helps in reducing the temperature when operating or soldering on a motherboard. Number 3, we have the PVC holder. This is a device which helps in holding the motherboard when you want to solder or remove a component on the motherboard. This makes you not to shake or make costly mistake while doing this. Number 4, we have the soldering wire. This is a wire used to connect components back to the motherboard with the help of the soldering iron. Number 5, we have the multimeter. These are divided into two parts, the analog and the digital. This is a device used to check the flow of current in any part of the component, especially the battery. Number 6, we have antistatic mat, also known as the ESD mat. This is a mat where you apply on the table to put all your mobile repair tools, and which helps as a protection to the human body against the flow of electricity. Number 7, we have magnifying lamp. This is a device used to enlarge components on the motherboard, just like the magnifying glass. It comes with a light for you to see clearly. Number 8, we have the hot air blower, or also known as the SMD. This is a device used to place or remove any component from the motherboard with the use of hot compressed air. Number 9, we have mobile phone opener. This is a device used to open the body or housing of a mobile device, especially inbuilt phones. Number 10, we have cleaning brush sets. These are specified brushes for mobile repair because of they are soft, which are meant to clean the motherboard with gentle care. Number 11, we have tweezers. These are tools used to carry in and out components from the motherboard and which also help in separating them. Number 12, we have ultrasonic cleaner. This is a device used to clean the inner parts inside of the motherboard. Soldering paste is a paste used before soldering on any component, which is applied to the soldering iron to clean it before using it. Number 14, we have antistatic wrist strap, which is worn on the hand when doing mobile repair to prevent the person from being electrocuted. Number 15, we have antistatic glove, which helps in protecting the human being from being electrocuted. 16, we have battery booster. This helps to boost a battery so fast when needed during mobile repair. Number 17, we have infrared workstation, also known as IRDA. When the motherboard is placed under this machine, IRDA heat come out of it, which is also used as laser cleansing or detecting device. Number 18, we have jumper wires. Tracks are made on motherboard. Many times we do lose all these tracks, which can cause strong connection. So with the aid of jumper wire, we use it to correct all those tracks that have been broken. Number 19, we have screwdriver. These are devices used to loosen up screws that are placed in phone when to start your mobile repair. At least we have paste flux. When you add a component to the motherboard and it doesn't stay well with the soldering iron, then therefore the paste flux is used to hold it firmly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Embrace yourself for more mobile repair video. Have a great day.